upstairs after dark. Bonnie's leaving. This is our last.
Jocelyn look alike.
Well, no, this is our last.
You will be allowed into my most secure and the doors open towards you.
She's from out here. Okay. She's been living in Australia.
Elsewhere, everyone please see the illuminated area of the floor.
This is supposed to come back in January. I was
Find you. Ha-ha! Gotcha. Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait. Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm Terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
How many? 4. Down there, stay behind the white line. How many?
Come on in, welcome. Nothing's wrong. Road 2. Middle right.
Oh, we're road.
Left to right only. You might want to make sure it's tight. You actually see those hands up in the air, just like mine. Go ahead and tug on your yellow tab, please. Tug on your yellow tab. By the way, just a few reminders. We do not give refunds, so good luck.
You made it! Oh, I forgot to tell you, the gantry's still broken, so it's gonna be a rough ride. Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
We do hope you've enjoyed our tour. Please gather your personal belongings.